So we are here at the Mission in Oceanside with Chef William. Chef William, tell us what you do and all about everything that's going on.
Right now we do to-go food Thursday through Sunday from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Okay?
Just a few of the bar favorites, condensed menu. We also do to-go cocktails, to-go beer, we can go your growlers, kind of anything that you want as far as alcohol related too.
Isn't that crazy that people can do like curbside alcohol pickup? I think that's hilarious.
It's fun. I like it. I like it.
I think everyone thinks that we should continue that once all this wildness is over.
Yes.
And Chef William is super amazing talent. We love his food, but you do something else that's really special. What else is it that you do?
We also have my pop-up, Matsu. We operate that on a to-go basis as well. You have to order a day ahead through Talk's website or our website, which will direct you to Talk.
What's the website called?
Talk, T-O-C-K.
TOCK.com?
I think it's Explore Talk or something.
Okay.
It's a reservation website, and they made it easy for restaurants that were using their platform to switch into a to-go platform so people can pre-order food.
Excellent.
We
And
do that.
and your Matsu, kind of explain a little bit about that because it's so amazing. Is that something like what we're having tonight?
There's some similarities between Missions and Matsu's food for
Okay.
you guys tonight. Matsu is a tasting menu only fine dining concept,
Okay.
and then we kind of adapted to this whole to-go ordeal and made it kind of simple. And they're just doing like basic teriyaki chicken, pork chashu, different types of rice bowls, different proteins and stuff.
Now, I saw that you might be making some of those Japanese bread and you're helping other restaurants right now?
Yeah, so I had a chef friend reach out to me, Keith Lord. He's been doing some consulting around town and wanted some lobster rolls made from our milk bread that we use for Matsu.
Milk bread. Oh, that just makes my mouth water just
It's
hearing
almost
that.
like a King's Hawaiian, but not quite as sweet, but that same texture and nice, super flaky. He asked me to do that, and it gave me the idea to why not develop a Kaido bread company, which is actually through Matsu.
Oh, cool.
And restaurants can order the bread. People can message me through Instagram. We only have an Instagram page right now.
And what's the Instagram page called?
Hokkaido Bread Company.
Okay. I'm going to have you type that out on this chain so we can get people to know. So is this something you did since this whole COVID thing? Like you started this?
We started it last week.
So think about it. You like pivoted and said, okay, look at what we can do during this
Yeah.
wild
We just
time.
want to help everyone. So, I mean, if we help restaurants get some bread for, help their cost
Yep.
and support local.
It's all about us supporting local restaurants and businesses, right?
Yeah.
And where did you, who else are you helping out? Like other,
We do, the city of Oceanside actually was nice enough to give us small contracts to help feed homeless people in like shelters and stuff.
Wow.
So we do that,
That's-
7 days a week.
you're kidding. I didn't know that.
Yeah,
So,
we do. I have one contract for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I have one that's breakfast and lunch, and then one that's just lunch.
and how many people do you feel right now you're cooking for and feeding the homeless?
I do about 70 meals a day.
Oh my gosh, that is fantastic. Wow, I had no idea that that was something you were up to. See, it's so important for all of us right now to support our small businesses and to know that you're behind the scenes doing that. And you have a family.
Yeah, yeah.
So what's it like right now having the kids home?
I mean, they're at the age where they're pretty much home anyways. The 5-year-old, though, she was just starting kindergarten, so I know that's been a little bit tough, but I'm lucky because most of my family is actually teachers. So I just call them and they kind of help out. But,
Oh, that's
you know,
awesome.
it's still difficult with trying to get her to do her homework at home.
A 5-year-old having homework is kind of scary to even think about, right? So what did you prepare today? So today's our 7-year anniversary and Philip wanted to do something really special. And so you made some,
We did the sweet potato dish that we do here at Mission.
okay?
Vegan dish. We do, we call it our spicy vegan saute.
Ooh.
Like a Vietnamese spicy sauce. We usually use for marinating meats, but we
Yum.
We have chanterelle mushrooms that were fried and then tossed in what we call our Szechuan sauce.
Excellent. Love both of those so far. Sounds
We
delish.
did asparagus glazed with black garlic, a little bit of red vinegar made from sake leaves and mirin, some cashews and shallots on that.
Okay.
And then, I think what else I have in there for you. We have some triple seared wagyu.
Whoa, yum.
Some American wagyu. We used strip loin, so not super fatty, but still quite nice.
Yum.
We did some squash with our Matsu teriyaki sauce that has a lot of like roast chicken and stuff in it. So you kind of got chicken flavor from the sauce, but veggie dish.
That sounds fantastic. I can't wait. So, we met you through Chef James, and so grateful to have you in our lives. And you helped us with our Penny Nathan birthday party. That's the first time. And you cooked at Borelli Design Studio in their kitchen with the purple oven. That was pretty wild.
Yeah.
And you're just such a giving, kind person, but also wildly talented. You are the bomb. And anybody who is looking for delicious food, curbside pickup, give us your address up here in Oceanside at the Mission. What's the address?
711 Mission Avenue.
Okay, 711 Mission Avenue, everybody. Phenomenal food. And don't forget, Chef William is also feeding about 70 people a day. Some of them 3 meals a day, the homeless. So, and that's through the city of Oceanside, which is pretty badass as well. Kalala in Florida says we're making her hungry. And Kalala is a female small business owner in Florida that makes amazing, delicious candles that I just ordered some, and she just sent them yesterday. So on my little It's What's Cooking, this is today's segment because I don't have to cook today, which Philip was worried I might have to. So a bunch of people are signing in and giving you love right now. So everybody, friend Chef William, and also his Instagram page for his bread business that he's now doing. And again, the name of it, so I can. Al-Kaido Bread Company.
It's a province up in Japan.
Oh, a province up in Japan. All right, I will have to get the correct spelling because he has his mask on, which he's doing all of his good physical distancing, even though it's weird that I can't hug him and thank him for everything he's doing. Kathy Gabrielson saying, hi, Chef William. So lots of people are giving you love. So, all right, we're going to sign off, and we'll make sure that you guys have all of Chef William's contact. All right? Thanks again for everything you're doing.